Yo, what's going on? Quick video. Feeling quite nice right now, so I'm gonna seize the moment to make this. Okay, so this question I pulled from an Algebra 2 Regents. I believe it was the June 2020 Regents. Okay, and it's a question on sequences. Okay, so pause the video and try it. Okay, oops, the answer's right here. All right, so here the answer is gonna be 4. Right? And I'm going to explain why that is. Okay, this is a sample solution, but it doesn't explain why it can't be choice 2. So yeah. Okay, so this question says a recursive formula for the sequence 40, 30, 22.5, dot, dot, dot is, you got to choose one. Okay, so we said that this is the answer. Okay. Well, when I look at this, right, I know off the bat that it can't be choice 1 and choice 3 because for a recursive formula, you need to have an initial value. Okay, so here, 1, it's saying g sub n is equal to 40 times 3/4 to the power of n, and similar here, n minus 1. Right, so this equation helps you generate the nth term of the sequence. So like, for example, for number 1, right, this is like saying, oh, the first term of the sequence is equal to 40 times 3/4 to the first. So this is just going to be 3/4 of this value, which is going to be 30. Okay, and if you check it like this, the first term's not even 30, so this can't be it. Okay, so that's another way, another reasoning to eliminate this, right? But yeah, just when I look at this, there's no seed value, and by seed initial value, please take a look at the geometric sequences video that I did before deriving the formula to get a better idea. Okay, choice three, it's a little better because it's saying that the nth term of the sequence is equal to 40 times 3/4 of n minus 1. So it kind of looks like it's basing off the previous, but once again, without that initial value, this thing doesn't help you. It can't help generate the sequence because you don't know what the starting place is, right? So yeah, there's no bound. So it's like g sub 0 is equal. So that means if I'm saying g sub 0, right, then that's saying that g sub 0 is equal to 40 times 3/4 to the 0 minus 1, right? And this thing doesn't make sense. Like you get a number here, but like I mentioned in the other video, oftentimes they start the sequence off as the first term, the second term, so not the 0th term. So no. Okay, two's better because here choice 2 gives you the initial value. So they're saying the first term is 40, and it is 40, right? But if you plug, and then this second equation helps you build the succeeding terms. So, but just looking at this looks, this relationship is saying that the next term descends by 10, right? So it's saying that the nth term is equal to 10 less than the previous. And when if you plug it in, or if you just look at this, that's not true, right? Well, it's true for here between the first and second, but when you look at the second and third terms, this is not 10 less, this is 7.5 less, okay? All right, and then finally, so then, process of elimination, so this can't be 2, it's got to be 4, right? Because that's the last choice. But you could also go through this, right? First check, the initial values are 40. Yes, it is. G sub n is equal to 3/4 times g sub n minus 1. This, let me just write this in English. Okay, this equation here, this is saying that the nth term is equal to 3/4 the previous term. In other words, the n minus 1 term. Okay, and if you plug it in, try it. Okay, plug it in for different values of n. Here start at 1, 2, and 3. So g sub 3. So this is saying that g sub 3, that means n is equal to 3, right? Saying that the third term is equal to 3/4 g sub 2, which is 30. Okay, you can do it. So is this true? Okay. What am I doing? Yeah, and you're gonna get that this is true. Okay. And if you're going to take this path, this has to hold for any n value. Okay, so not just for G sub 3, but for the other ones. Okay, so check it out. Okay, that's it. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day because it's really, really sunny here. Yeah, my New York City kids, enjoy the weather, and the rest of you just take care.